Hi guys, this is the HardReset YouTube channel, and today I'll show you the fingerprint scanner that's on Samsung Galaxy S23 Plus device. So I just set up my fingerprint to the scanner here a couple of minutes ago, and now I'll just make a couple of tries to unlock the device with my fingerprint just to see does this feature work and how fast is it. So let's start. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So as we can see, the fingerprint scanner works here fast and correct. We just unlock the device less than in 1 of the second. This is the good result for the face unlock. Just if you want to unlock your device successfully, you should just hold it for a while on the fingerprint scanner, because if you will just do it so fast just for the simple touch, you have no chance to unlock it. So just okay, now we should enter the password after that, and as you can see was the just a little bit hold of the fingerprint scanner will just unlock the device successfully. So that's it. Thank you for watching, and if you find this video helpful, don't forget to leave a like, comment and to subscribe our channel.